So now we've downloaded our template and we need to collect some information from this template so that we got an overview about the project and also know the information we're gonna need to provide for every room and so on. So first of all, I'm gonna open Sublime Text for an empty, page. And first of all, let's open our template homepage. So this website for hotel, so that you can search over rooms or rent a room or book a room or something like this. So you will see a lot of rooms and you will see also the information about this room, how many beds, how many baths, how many garage and so on, or this building. And you will also be able to book this building and so on. So let's move down. So this is the categories. So we have categories. So we have categories. So this categories for, let's say, for or with numbers or count, with count. Let's save this file, and I'm gonna save this file in our project. So let's go to the desktop or tutorials. I'm gonna create a new project in here, or let's put this file on the desktop. Okay, I'm gonna say one.txt like this, and here we have categories with count, like those counts the number of robots in every category and so on. And let's move down. We have the apartment or the building. So we have a lot of information about this building. So first of all, we need, so we have the property name for every property. We have the name. We have also the location, and we have the type. Is it for sale or for rent, like this? And we have the price per month, so we have price, and we have the area. So we have the area. Do we have how many beds? So we're gonna say bed number. And we have also how many baths, so we're gonna say, and we have how many garages, so we're gonna say like this. So now we have the name, the location, the type, the price, the area, and so on. This type we're gonna say sale or rent. Okay, and we'll take this information. So we have the properties. This all the information we need for properties. Yeah. So for agents, we have the agent image, title, subtitle. This view details. There is no page, so we will not add a page for details. So here we have the agents. And for those agents, we have, let's say, the name and the title and the image. Yeah, just like this. And we have about us page, so we have some information. So we have about us. So on this about us, we have an image and some text, this text. So let's say we have our vision and our mission. So we're gonna say vision. And we have the contact form. There is no model for contact form. So now we'll just take a look at our front end, and we've collected some information from this front end. Remember, do not remove this copyrights for the site cookies. And if you are building this site for a real project, buy this template. It's actually awesome template, which enable you for many features, and you will see it when we use it. So if you are building this for a real project, buy this template. Okay, so now we have the information we need for our project. So let's create the project. So first of all, let's open our template, our terminal, like this, and let's go to the desktop because I create my projects in this folder, tutorials. And here first I'm going to create a virtual environment, so I'm going to say virtual env, and if you don't have this virtual environment, write this command to install it, pip install virtual env, just like this. So let's remove this and let's type virtual env, and we're going to create our virtual environment using Python 3.6. So I'm going to say 3.6. This -p stands for Python version, and here we need to give it a name. So I'm going to say Django hotel. Yeah, just like this. So let's hit enter. So now we've created a virtual environment. So let's open our tutorials folder. So here we have Django hotel. Yeah, like this. This is our virtual environment right now. Okay. So here, let's clear this. And let's create an src folder. So I'm going to say mkdir src. So now we have an src folder. Sorry. So this is my fault. We need to remove this src folder. Yeah, this the one we've created. Yeah. Because we first need to move on to open this folder, the Django hotel. Yeah. So first we're going to say cd Django. So now we're in our folder. If we press ls, we will see we have bin, include, lib, and so on. So first we're going to create an src folder like this. So now we have our folder, and we need to activate our virtual environment first. So we're going to say source bin/activate. So now we've just activated our virtual environment. If you're using Linux, you're going to say scripts. You're going to write scripts /activate. Okay, like this. So now we have our virtual environment activated. So we need to see the package in this virtual environment. So we're going to say pip freeze. So now we have no packages yet. So let's install Django. So we're going to say pip install Django. Let's hit enter. So now we've installed Django and pyqt. Okay. Let's create a new project. So let's clear our screen. I'm gonna say Django, but first let's type the other command to see the installed packages in our virtual environment. So now we have Django 2.1.5, and this is the latest version, and we have pyqt. Okay. So now I'm gonna say Django admin start project, and I'm gonna give this project the name of project. And let's hit this, but first let's open src, and if we hit this command, we're gonna see a Django project, but sorry, we didn't open the src folder. Oh my god. So let's remove this. And first let's go to the src folder and let's hit this command. So now we have a folder with the name of project, and then when we open this project, we have our project. Actually, when I open this src, I see my project. So let's remove this folder, and here let's execute our command, and we will enter dot at the end of this command, which extends for this directory. So let's hit enter. So now we have our manage.py and our project folder. So why I am using this name for all my projects, the project? Because sometimes I need to move one app from one project to another. So those two projects needs to be in the same name. And I like this name actually because it's not connected to any other names. Like if you call this project blog, so maybe you need to create a name with blog and so on. So I created like project. It's a clean name. It's not like blog, restaurant, and so on. And the virtual environment name stands for the project. It's Django and so on. So now we've created our project. So we have how manage.py file, which we will use to run our commands, and we have the main settings and the main URL and so on. So now it's time that we create our app and start designing this app model and so on. And we will do this in the next lecture. See you next lecture.